Moroccan cooking class. A Moroccan cooking class in Marrakech offers more than just recipes. It's a journey into the heart of Moroccan culture. Visitors begin by exploring local markets, choosing fresh ingredients like spices, herbs, and vegetables, while learning about the traditions behind Moroccan cuisine. Guided by local chefs, participants prepare famous dishes such as tagine, couscous, and Moroccan salads, discovering the art of combining flavors and spices. After cooking, everyone gathers to share the meal together, a warm and authentic experience that reflects the hospitality and soul of Morocco.